Oh friends, you're here. So today we are going to make a anti-stress ball like this. You can see, like I will like this do, and it is a simple. We will make a color ball. So let's start the video. For this we need balloons, only one balloon, earbud, colors, bottle, one like this, medicine with water full, and this much only. So now let's start the video. So first we need a balloon like this and a earbud. Now we will take colors, and I will choose on orange. Which color I should choose? I should choose blue. Here is my blue color. Now I will put it inside the balloon with the help of earbud like this. Now I'm having the earbud. I will take it like this, and like this I will put it inside, and now I will press it from here and pull the earbud out. Then 4 times like this. Again push, again push, pull, press and pull. So 4 are complete. Put it aside. Now our color is ready. I will put this balloon on the bottle to fill the water in it like this, or you can fill it with the tap also. So I have put the water in it. Oh, so water is here. Now I will tie it with a knot. Now our stress ball is ready like this. You can see the blue color is little bit appearing on it. You can see it is a very good. I have two balls, and I have one more ball. Here it is. It is the combination with pink and green. You can see now I have 3 balls. One where I will give one to Hunar, one to Kavan, one to Rasbir, and from this I will make one more which will be mine. So bye bye. If you like our today's video, so please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and put the subscribe button like this. So bye bye, and meet you in the next video in next week. Bye. So this is the stress ball.